Everybody, welcome back to another episode. In algebra today, we're going to be talking about distributive property. And the distributive property can be used when there is a number and or a variable outside of the brackets. In this picture, we notice that we have a letter A outside the brackets. It can represent a number and or maybe a variable. When there is a number or a variable, or both, that is directly outside the brackets, like we see here with letter A, it means that everything inside of the bracket is multiplied by that value. So in the picture we have A times, this is really like multiply, A multiply by B plus C. Step 1, we need to distribute the number and or the variable outside the brackets to each term inside the brackets to eliminate the bracket. From there, we can collect the like terms, and step 3, we can simplify. So in this picture, you can imagine that A is multiplied by B, as we see here, and plus A multiplied by C, as we see here. As you notice, the brackets are eliminated, which makes it easier to collect like terms and further simplify the equation or expression. Let's try an example to further understand. For example, we might be given the expression 2 times 3x plus 4. And we might be asked to simplify. Let me just rewrite the expression down here. We don't see any operation between the 2 and the bracket. However, we know that this is really multiplying. So we have 2 times 3x plus 4. If we use distributive property, we need to multiply each term inside the bracket by 2. So let's do that. So we will do 2 times 3x, 2 times 3x, plus 2 times 4, 2 times positive 4. And at this point, we try to further simplify. And we know that 2 times 3x becomes 6x plus 2 times 4, which is 8. We always look to see if we can combine like terms and at the end. However, 6x and 8 are not like terms since one of the terms has a variable and one does not. Therefore, we have fully simplified our answer. Let's try another example. A bit more challenging. We have example number 2. Perhaps we have the example 3 plus 2 times 2x minus 4. We should always look within inside the bracket inside here to see if we can simplify. However, in this case, we can never simplify 2x and negative 4 since they are not like terms. So therefore, we need to use distributive property to eliminate those brackets. So we have 3 plus, in our first step, we have 2 multiplied by 2x. Minus the product of 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4. Now at this point, we need to simplify. We will just leave the 3 as it is for now. We look at what is 2 times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 2x would be 4x. Minus 2 times 4, which is 8. At this point, we've used distributive property. We've simplified. However, we should notice that we need to always look to simplify further. And as I see, we have 3 and negative 8. When we combine like terms, we first rearrange them so they are beside each other. So this is the same expression. We look to simplify. 3 minus 8 becomes negative 5. And 4x. At this point, we cannot further simplify, so we will end. So therefore, this is our fully simplified answer. Negative 5 plus 4x. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found it useful. Thank you very much.